Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make viral AI videos in just 5 minutes for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, and how people are earning hundreds, even thousands of dollars every month doing this. You don't need any editing skills, no fancy setup, and it literally takes just a few minutes to create a full video. I'll show you the most efficient and beginner-friendly way to do it using an AI tool called Clippy AI, which basically handles the entire process for you. There's a link in the pinned comment below that includes the best current discount on their plans, so definitely check that out if you want to save some money. Now let's jump right in, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. I'm going to show you everything you need to know and how to generate videos that you can later upload to TikTok or YouTube and start making real money from. Let's start with the left side. This is your main dashboard. First, we have something called AI Playground, where you can generate videos or images using different AI models depending on what you need. Right below that, we have the Tools section, which includes a lot of useful features like AI Upscale, Remove Background, Video Compressor, and Green Screen Image. If we click deeper into the Tools category, you'll find even more options like Voice Studio, Video Trimmer, Video Cropper, Video to Audio, Video Resizer, and Video Converter. These are definitely tools worth exploring if you want to improve or customize your content. But now, let's move to the most important part: templates. This is where everything happens. You'll find multiple ready-made categories that are basically different niches you can use to create videos in just a few minutes. Starting from the top, we have AI Story Video, which is more of a general category. Inside, you can choose different art styles, and if you don't find what you're looking for, you can even use the Request a Style option. Next, all you need to do is enter your script, basically how you want your video to look. If you don't want to write it yourself, you can use the built-in AI script writer to generate a story for you. You can also choose the voice, customize it, select your background, and add captions. Everything is handled in one place. Going back to templates, there are also more niche-specific options like Roblox Rant, text stories, Reddit video, top 5 videos, and more, so you can easily pick a format that already works and just plug in your content. When it comes to pricing, Clippy AI offers 3 plans: Lite, Creator, and Pro, available monthly or yearly. I highly recommend going with the yearly plan because you save a lot more money in the long run, especially if you're serious about creating content consistently. And don't forget, the link in the pinned comment below includes the best current discount on these plans. Overall, Clippy AI makes the entire process incredibly simple, from generating scripts to creating fully edited videos in just a few clicks. It's one of the easiest ways to get started and scale content without wasting time on complicated editing. If you want to try it yourself, make sure to use the link in the pinned comment below to get the best available discount and start creating your own videos today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.